Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss with you the activity of term 1 that you are to do. It's types of quadrilateral. If you remember, I have discussed already in chapter 13 the types of quadrilateral. I will give you a short view again. See, the headings we are to do: activity term 1, date, types of quadrilateral. It is on book page 173, 174 and 175. Let's discuss once again. First one is parallelogram. Types of quadrilateral. It's a parallelogram. What is parallelogram? It's a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal and parallel, and opposite angles are equal. This is the shape. Opposite sides are equal and parallel, and opposite angles are also equal. The next one is a rectangle. You have done that in previous classes also. Rectangle. It's a special kind of parallelogram. Here in this quadrilateral, all the angles will be of 90 degree. It is in the shape of L. L-shaped angle होंगे. No slanting line will be there. Straight line to straight line angle होगा. So this is a rectangle. Rest same. Opposite sides equal and parallel. Next one is a square. In a square, you know all the sides are equal. Obviously, all the angles are also equal, as it is a special kind of rectangle. The next one is a rhombus. Rhombus is a special kind of parallelogram. Here in rhombus you will get all the sides equal. ये ध्यान रखना है आपने, जब rhombus बनाना है तो sides की measurement same होनी चाहिए. And the last one is a trapezium in your book. It is in this one pair of opposite sides non-parallel, like ये दो है मिल जाएंगे आपस में, and one pair of opposite sides are parallel. This is a trapezium. Now let's see how to draw this. You have to draw all these angles, all these quadrilaterals. We have to show the types and their identification. See, I am starting with one. Type 1, it is a parallelogram. Let's see how to draw that. You should be careful while drawing that. See, we are drawing. So I am taking box sheet. It will be convenient for you to draw the quadrilaterals accurately. Construction is not possible for you at this stage. See here. First one. This is a parallelogram. Let's name it A, B, C, D. साइक्लिक जाना है A, B, C, D. हाथ उठा के A, B ऐसे C यहाँ D यहाँ, रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट वन इज अ रेक्टेंगल. रेक्टेंगल तो आप बहुत बार बना चुके हो. स्ट्रेट लाइन्स वी विल टेक. नो स्लैंटिंग लाइन हेयर इन रेक्टेंगल, एज द एंगल्स आर ऑफ 90 degree. So one thing more, use scale. I can draw with free hand also, but वो बात नहीं बनेगी. P, Q, R, S. This is a rectangle. The third one, easier one, that is a square. two boxes ले रही हूँ हर तरफ से. Easy to measure, easy to draw. You should know their specialties, the features of the quadrilaters. Accordingly you have to work. Let me take it as L, M, N, O, and it is a square. The main thing why I have taken this box sheet is your rhombus. The next time it is rhombus. To construct a rhombus will be difficult, as measurement will not be possible for equal sides. Book में आपकी कुछ और दिया हुआ है, but you can draw it easily in a box sheet like this. इस shape में draw कर सकते हो. इसकी sides जो हैं, those sides should be of equal length. Q, R, S, T. ये इक्वल लेंथ की होनी चाहिए. अगर वैसे भी बना रहे हो तो कीप इन माइंड कि उसका बेसिक नेचर जो है उसकी साइड्स इक्वल होनी चाहिए. The last one is trapezium. See how to draw that. In a trapezium, two sides are parallel and two sides are non-parallel. So I am taking a difference of one box each side. See, एक लाइन हमने बड़ी बनानी है, एक छोटी. ये वाली जो है वो छोटी बना रही हूँ और ये नीचे वाली बड़ी बन रही है. दीज आर द पैरेलल वन. ये इसके पैरेलल है बट ये नॉन पैरेलल हो जाएंगी. लेट अस टेक इट RSTU. This is a trapezium. Hope you have understood. Draw them very neatly. You can use pencil colors or crayons to solve it. I will send the pic also. See, neatly you have to draw. I will send the pic also, and don't send me the photos, clicked photos of your activity. I will give you the time section wise. Then only you will send your pics of this activity in group for checking. This is of 5 marks, so be particular about time. Thank you.